Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have JBL Reflect Aero wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you might want to do this for one of two reasons. The first reason is troubleshooting. If these earbuds are not pairing with your Bluetooth device, or they're not connecting, or they're not syncing, or if you're only getting sound out of the left ear or the right ear, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. You will need to set them back up again as they will be deleted from your devices. But that brings me to the second reason you might want to do this. If you just want to delete all of the pairing history so that you can set these up again with a new device, this will go ahead and do the trick for you. So all you need to do is take the earbuds out of the case, and on either of the earbuds, we're going to come in and do a sequence of taps. And it's going to look like this. We're going to go 2 short taps and then 1 long 5-second hold. So we're going to go on either of the earbuds, we're going to go tap, 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 hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but 5 full seconds. Once you do that, you can release, put the earbuds back in the case, close the case, open the case back up, take the earbuds out, and they will be reset to their factory settings.